ready to unlock the full potential of HighLevel's communication features by connecting it to the powerhouse that is Twilio. First, log into your HighLevel account and navigate to the agency view. From there, go down to Settings, found on the left-hand side menu. In the Settings menu, locate the Integrations tab and click on it. You'll see the Twilio Integration option. This is where the magic happens. Click the Connect Account button. HighLevel will prompt you for your Twilio account set and off token. Now, head over to your Twilio account and log in. Once you're in, you'll find your account set and off token displayed on the account dashboard. They are usually at the top, clearly labeled. Carefully copy the account set and then paste it into the corresponding field in HighLevel. Do the same for the off token. Make sure you copy them correctly to avoid any connection issues. With both the account set and off token pasted, click the Save button in HighLevel. This establishes the connection between your HighLevel account and your Twilio account. Next, navigate back to the agency view in HighLevel and go to Phone Numbers. Click Add Number and select the Twilio account you just connected. From here, you can purchase a new number directly through HighLevel. Powered by Twilio, you can search for a number using area codes or specific keywords to fit your business needs. Once you purchase and assign your number, you can start using it to send SMS messages, make calls, and set up automated workflows directly within HighLevel, all powered by Twilio's reliable infrastructure. And that's it. You're ready to go.